Hi people, we are the site of Fanatism, Chifimo Production. That's my Kabashin coat. Warfare can't only be now. That's my warfare shoe. And my weapon of mass destruction. You won't try. That's my cap. Getting ready. So if you are an evildoer, that's my mother Kabashin. Ije bombs. Ngozi Mos. You what la? Ibuje kweskele beti ole bebe hola akwe Maria na kia tag if you know this person here, tag him. If you know that head, if you're conversant with that head or blue clothes. You see how we cook the food. This is midnight too. We are still filming. That's my director there, the DOP, one of the DOPs anyway. I have two DOPs there. That's the Sandman. Or okay, lo me really go. You know, get the bomb. Oh, warfare. Adam make it said deke. Adam make it said deke. Oh, you go to me Oh my God. Don't worry. That's my two brothers over there. This is the site of Fanatism, like I said. That's the title of the movie from the Sybil of Chivimo Production. That's my director right there behind me, Rim. Oh, what's up? What's up? Very soon, you will see the movie online and on television too. So, let me go back to work. Bye.